Welcome back to 3-Minute Hikes. Today we'll be visiting Mount Storm King and Marymere Falls. These two short hikes share the first half mile of trail. We'll tackle Mount Storm King first and then visit the falls. All told, we'll cover less than 6 miles. We begin our hike in a lush old-growth forest. At the half-mile mark, a sign points to the turnoff for Mount Storm King. The route to the summit is as steep as it is relentless. We'll be climbing 1,700 feet in less than 2 miles. A half mile from the top, we reach this viewpoint of Lake Crescent below. The final ascent involves a fair amount of exposure, so we take our time. A series of ropes awaits anyone willing to scramble to the summit. We opt instead to enjoy the view and then retrace our steps in search of a place to eat lunch. Gray jays are called camp robbers for a reason. One of these actually tries to steal Mary Beth's lunch right out of her hand. We return to the lush forest floor, where our final destination awaits. It's a short climb to Marymere Falls. That's all for now. See you next time.